Hello and welcome to beautiful Loch Shiel in Glenfinnan. I've uploaded an earlier post here, yet this is a look. That's the Glenfinnan House Hotel. And when I went to see the Jacobite steam train go over the Glenfinnan Viaduct the day after actually riding the train, I had to park not only up the road, but over at the hotel itself in order to walk over to the viaduct area, the National Trust, and that monument you saw to Bonnie Prince Charlie. And I'll stop talking soon, but this is as I made my way back to the hotel. Enjoy the bird song. You'll see the church or the kirk, some wildflowers, and just a beautiful sight. Enjoy the birds. Look at all those ferns.